Hello, design students. Day one of e-learning. So many of you are still puzzled and thinking, how are you going to continue working in design that you are not in the same location? Well, quite simple. You guys already have an advantage because you have been using your e-packets for the past few units. Those e-packets allow you guys to work even if you're not in the same spot. So that's great. For this week, your expectation is to complete Criteria B. Criteria B meaning that you guys will have to select the application or software that you're going to use for your video, but you also need to just come up with a script. The formative assessments are going to help me track your progress. The summative assessment goes directly with your e-packet, so as soon as you guys are complete with your e-packet, just make sure to upload your formative assessments for day one formative assessment. Work on your e-packet and submit. For your second formative assessment, just copy and paste your script in a document and then you upload it, making sure that I can see it and your French teachers can see it. I will be posting the remaining part of the unit on ManageBack so that way you could continue working on your product. Just remember, although you guys are not in the same place, you guys could still work together. Make sure that you assign yourself specific tasks. Give everyone part of your group something that they need to accomplish during the week. And then by the end, when you guys will be creating your solution, you guys could put all that together. There are many applications out there you guys can use. I will always be available on email. You could write me a message on ManageBack and I will respond. So enjoy your e-learning and don't hesitate to send me a message if you need any help. Thank you.